TikTok * is one of the world's most popular short-form video platforms, allowing users to create, watch, and share videos on a wide variety of topics. Since its global expansion, TikTok has become a major platform for entertainment, education, business, marketing, and content creation. Millions of creators, brands, educators, and organizations use TikTok to reach audiences through creative and engaging videos. Creating a TikTok account begins with setting up a profile, choosing a username, adding a profile picture, and writing a short biography. Users can customize their profile and, depending on their needs, may use either a personal account or a business account with access to additional professional features. The platform is built around * short-form videos. Creators produce content covering education, science, technology, finance, health, cooking, travel, sports, fashion, music, business, and many other subjects. TikTok provides editing tools that allow users to trim clips, add text, captions, music where licensed, filters, effects, and transitions to improve their videos. One of TikTok's most recognized features is the * for you page, FYP. Instead of showing only videos from accounts a user follows, TikTok recommends content based on factors such as viewing behavior, interactions, interests, language preferences, and other signals. These recommendations are generated by the platform systems and may change over time. Creators can also use * hashtags * to help categorize their videos and make them easier to discover. While hashtags may improve content organization, they do not guarantee that a video will become widely viewed. High-quality, engaging, and relevant content generally has a greater impact on long-term growth. TikTok supports several content formats, including standard videos, photo posts in supported regions, live broadcasts for eligible users, and interactive features such as comments, duets, and stitches. These tools encourage collaboration and community engagement while allowing creators to interact directly with their audience. Businesses increasingly use TikTok for * digital marketing. Companies publish product demonstrations, educational content, behind-the-scenes videos, customer stories, and brand campaigns to connect with potential customers. Many organizations focus on informative and entertaining content rather than traditional advertising alone. Content quality is essential for success. Clear visuals, understandable audio, accurate information, and creative storytelling generally improve viewer engagement. Successful creators often plan their content in advance, research audience interests, and maintain a consistent posting schedule while prioritizing quality over quantity. TikTok also provides analytics for eligible professional accounts. Metrics such as video views, watch time, audience retention, follower growth, engagement, and audience demographics help creators understand how their content performs and identify opportunities for improvement. Privacy and account security remain important. TikTok offers settings that allow users to control who can view their content, send messages, comment on videos, or interact with their account. Enabling * multi-factor authentication, MFA, ***, and using a strong, unique password can further improve account protection. Like any social media platform, users should think carefully before sharing personal information online. Reviewing privacy settings regularly, avoiding suspicious links, and verifying unexpected messages help reduce security risks while creating a safer digital experience. TikTok continues to influence digital communication, entertainment, education, and marketing worldwide. Understanding how the platform works enables users to create valuable content while following platform guidelines and maintaining responsible online behavior. In ***, Part 2***, we will discuss *** TikTok marketing, monetization, analytics, advertising, community guidelines, account security, common mistakes, and best practices for sustainable channel growth. ***. Educational disclaimer. ***. This video is intended for educational purposes only. TikTok's features, recommendation systems, monetization programs, privacy settings, and platform policies may change over time. Always review TikTok's official guidelines and applicable laws when creating or sharing content.
TikTok has become one of the world's most influential platforms for content creation, digital marketing, education, and brand promotion. Millions of creators, businesses, educators, and organizations use TikTok to reach global audiences through short-form videos. While creating viral content may attract attention, long-term success is usually built through consistency, quality, and trust. One of the most important uses of TikTok is digital marketing. Businesses create educational videos, product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes content, customer success stories, tutorials, and industry insights to introduce their products or services. Instead of focusing only on advertising, many successful brands prioritize content that informs, entertains, or solves problems for their audience. Professional creators often use TikTok business accounts which provide access to analytics, advertising tools, and additional business features. These resources help organizations understand audience behavior and improve their content strategies over time. TikTok also offers advertising solutions that allow businesses to promote products, services, websites, or mobile applications. Depending on regional availability, advertisers may choose different campaign objectives, budgets, and audience targeting options. Advertising features continue to evolve, so marketers should always review TikTok's official advertising policies before launching campaigns. Another important aspect of TikTok is analytics. Professional accounts can review metrics such as video views, watch time, average view duration, audience retention, engagement rate, follower growth, traffic sources, and audience demographics. Analyzing these insights helps creators understand which content performs well and identify opportunities for future improvement. Some eligible creators may also have access to monetization opportunities depending on their country, account status, and TikTok's current programs. These opportunities may include brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, product sales, live gifts where available, subscriptions in eligible regions, or other creator programs. Eligibility requirements and available features may change over time. Security should always remain a priority. Users are encouraged to enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, create strong and unique passwords, monitor account activity, and update recovery information regularly. These measures help protect accounts from unauthorized access. Users should also remain alert for online scams. Fraudsters may create fake sponsorship offers, phishing emails, fraudulent login pages, or impersonate well-known creators and brands. Never share passwords, verification codes, or account recovery information with anyone. Always verify business offers and official communications through trusted sources. Respecting community guidelines and copyright laws is equally important. Creators should avoid uploading content that violates platform policies or infringes on another person's intellectual property. Using original content or obtaining appropriate permission helps build a trustworthy and sustainable presence on the platform. Many new creators believe that every video should become viral, but sustainable growth usually comes from producing valuable content consistently. Educational videos, helpful tutorials, authentic storytelling, and meaningful audience engagement often contribute more to long-term success than focusing only on short-term popularity. TikTok continues to introduce new creative tools, editing features, shopping options, and business services as the platform evolves. Staying informed about official updates allows creators and businesses to adapt their strategies while maintaining compliance with platform policies. Thank you for watching this educational series on TikTok. We explored TikTok's features, marketing strategies, advertising, analytics, monetization opportunities, security practices, copyright responsibilities, and best practices for long-term content growth. We hope this information helps you use TikTok more effectively, safely, and responsibly. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal, financial, marketing, or professional advice. TikTok's algorithms, monetization programs, advertising features, and platform policies may change over time. Always review TikTok's official guidelines and comply with applicable laws.